Hello and welcome to Filing Form 1040X After IRS Calculations. My name is Misty Erickson, and I'm going to walk you through why it is beneficial or why you may want to file an amended return this year. So just a little bit about me. I've worked for NATP for almost 5 years in the tax research department, and I've worked at tax offices during the tax season. So pretty busy schedule, but I enjoyed it. Prior to my employment with the NATP, I spent 10 years working for the Minnesota Department of Revenue auditing individual income tax returns, as well as involved in several projects throughout the year. So why are we talking about amended returns? Well, this year we saw several tax law changes passed as part of the American Rescue Plan Act in March that impacted 2020 returns, including the 10,200 exclusion for unemployment compensation and the waiver of the advanced premium tax credit. We will take a look at the most recent IRS guidance for both scenarios and talk through when it would be beneficial to file an amended return. So for unemployment compensation, what we know? Well, based on the latest FAQs posted by the IRS, they will adjust any non-refundable or refundable credits that you reported on your return that were impacted by the exclusion, which is great news for your clients. So hopefully, if everything is done right, the IRS is going to adjust the return. They're going to see their increased or potentially decreased credits, and we won't have to do anything. However, if they are eligible for any new credits or deductions, an amended return will have to be filed. So those are the scenarios that we're going to want to watch for. So let's take a look at an example. So in our illustration, we have Sam and Pat, a married couple with two children, who both received unemployment benefits in 2020. The total amount they are eligible to exclude is $20,400, and they originally claimed the earned income tax credit in 2020. The excluded unemployment income will reduce their AGI, thus allowing for a higher EIC in 2020. Do they need to amend? No. The IRS should adjust their EIC and no further action is needed. What about William? He received $20,000 in unemployment income or unemployment compensation. His original AGI was $24,000. After the exclusion amount, his adjusted AGI is $13,800, which means he is now eligible for EIC, which was not originally claimed on his return. In order to receive the credit, an amended return will have to be filed. We will use William as an example later in the presentation when we walk through an amended return. What are some other deductions and credits to watch for?